Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our 13th question. What is that? So one radius is passing through, circle is passing through the 1 point minus 5 and 6. One circle is passing through the 1 point minus 5 and 6 with the center as 3, 2. 3, 2. So here we need to find what is the radius. So let's going to take these points as A and B. So these points as A and B, this is the radius. So small r is the radius. So we have to find what is its radius. Radius is nothing but here. So radius is AB, radius, that is the AB radius, or so what is that? The distance between 2 points. So here you can say distance between 2 points. So what are the distance between 2 points? That is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the formula. So if you substitute in this, we will get this radius. So AB is nothing but small r, that will be equal to square root of, what is x2 here? You can take coordinates 3, 2 and 5 minus 5, 6. So x2 is minus 5 minus 3 whole square minus 5 minus 3. So why? Because x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So that will be equal to square root of minus 3 minus 5. So we will get minus 8 whole square plus 6 minus 2 4 square. What value we are getting here? So 64. We are getting 64. 8 8s are. Then 4 square is 16. What value we will get it here is 80, square root of 80. We have to write square root of 80 in the format of what you can say perfect square into some other number. Perfect square is 16, 9, like that we will get. So anyway 16 5s are. Then what you can write? Square root of 16 into square root of 5. Square root of 16 is 4 root 5. So what is this? 4 root 5. Radius is what? 4 root 5 centimeters. Either you can take units or centimeters. So this is the way to find the radius of the circle. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We are going to discuss 14th question. They are given 3 coordinates. So they are given that 3 points. Is that possible to frame one triangle or not with the given points? So first of all, we are going to find what is the distance between two points in a triangle. Let us assume triangle is existed with the given coordinates. So based on that, we will going to calculate distances between two points. After that, addition of two sides will be greater than the third side, then it will be possible. Or subtraction of any two side lengths will be less than third side, then we are going to take that is existed. It will be anything. Let's going to take what is the condition here. So what is the condition? AB plus BC should be greater than CA, or AB minus BC should be less than CA. It will be applicable for all the sides, not only AB, BC, like that. Not only AB, BC. So let's going to take 3 sides. The distance formula of between 2 points, distance will be equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So let us take AB length, that is square root of AB. So here x2 x1, that is 5 minus 1 plus 8 minus 5 whole square. 5 minus 1, 8 minus 5. That is 5 minus 1 will be 4 square plus 8 minus 5 will be 3 square. What value we are getting here? 4 square is 16, 5 square is 9, that is square root of 25, that is 5 units or 5 centimeter, whatever it is. Next, BC. So what is its BC? So BC is equals to x2 minus x1, that is 13 minus 5 whole square plus 14 minus 8 whole square. That will be equal to square root of 13 minus 5. It will be 8. So 8 square plus 14 minus 8, we will get again 6 square. So what is the value? 8 square, square root of 64 plus 36, we will get square root of 100. That will be equal to 10 centimeters. So that is the value. Next one, CA, that is square root of CA 13 minus 1 whole square plus 14 minus 5 whole square. So 13 minus 1 will be 12 square plus 14 minus 5 will be equal to 9 square. So what is the value? So here 14 minus 5 will be 9. So 12 square will become, what is that? Square root of 144 plus 81. So what value we will get it here? So 225, that is 15 square, so 15 centimeters. So if you observe here, let's take condition 1, AB plus BC. So what is AB plus BC? AB is equals to 5 and BC will be equal to 10. So it is 15, but 15 is not greater than 15. So this is not greater than CA. So AB plus BC is not greater than CA. So this is the condition. Therefore, there is no existence. Why? Because if you add two sides, it's not greater than 15. It's equal to 15. So here condition AB plus BC is equal to CA. So based on this condition, it should not satisfy. It should be greater. So based on this condition, what you can say, therefore, the given points, the given quadrants points will not form triangle. So the given points will not form triangle. So this is the case. It will not frame a triangle. Our assumption is wrong. It will not frame any triangle. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.